guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning back in. So today guys, I am going to be showing you how my mom did this gorgeous hairstyle, this half up half down, using Curlsqueen kinky straight hair. Oh my goodness, would you look at this hair? Would you look at this hair? I love it so much. So my mom went ahead and prepared my hair. She started off by blow drying my hair. My hair was already clean, it was grease free. I had washed my hair prior coming to the salon, so she was just making sure that the hair is straight, and then she went ahead and did cornrows exactly as she is doing, like for the half down. She was very quick when she was doing this hairstyle, and it came out beautifully. And using the Curlsqueen hair, oh my goodness, it was a win. That hair is so beautiful. When she straightened the hair, oh my goodness, it looked so beautiful. Also, you can curl the hair, you can also bleach the hair, and also the hair is double wefted. And what I like about the hair is that you can use one bundle to do this hairstyle. Literally, you can just use one bundle, and when you sew in your hair, you can use like 1.5 bundles, so it has a nice volume. And then she went ahead and applied a styling gel after tying my hair into a ponytail. That will be the up, and then she rearranged the hair using a comb exactly as she is doing, and then she braided my hair so that it doesn't disturb her, and then she took a damp cloth just to slick down the styling gel some more, and then she went ahead and did the edges. You all cannot tell me that my mom did not eat when she was doing these edges. Oh my goodness, I love them so much. I feel like she does edges better than me. I don't know, like I love her edges more than I love mine. And then she went ahead and put on these ear things. I don't know the name of these things. They just protect you from being burnt by this hairdryer. And yeah, and then we went ahead and dried the styling gel. This is the gorgeous hair, guys, I'm telling you guys about. Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I love it. It came out so beautifully, and it blended with my hair so nicely. And then she went ahead and sewed in the hair exactly as you can see. She is sewing in single wefts, but they look like double wefts. That's how good the hair is, and that's how much the hair has volume. Like one weft looks like double wefts, of which I love about this hair. And then she went ahead and sewed in like that. When it comes to hair, my mom, she is. And then when she was done, she combed my hair. Look at that, my hair, you can't even see where my hair starts, you can't see where my hair ends. If you don't know, if I didn't show you that this was an extension, you were not going to see that it's an extension because it looks like my hair. What do you mean? And then she sectioned out she braided the hair just to put it off the way so that it doesn't disturb her when she does the ponytail. And now she's sewing in the ponytail. She's also sewing in the ponytail single wefts, as you can see. And Sana, I love it. This hair is the hair of the year, I am telling you. If you want it to be curly, you can curl it. And then when she was done sewing in the hair, she did the band for the ponytail. As you can see, I'm holding the hair that she's going to be using for her bang, and then she put on a holding spray, and then she twisted it around the ponytail. Would you look at that? Oh my goodness, I love it so much. I love this hair. Oh my goodness, I love it so much, for the fact that you can even dye it, you can even bleach it, you can even curl it, and it takes curls very easily. Oh my goodness, I love it. Please make sure that you put your holding spray, and make sure that you put a generous amount, because you don't want that bang to unwrap itself, and secure it with cold air. And then she went ahead and straightened the hair. It's so easy to straighten the hair, it becomes very nice. Can you see that? Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. Oh, I love it. I love it so much, guys. I love it. I don't know what else to say, but I love this hair. Ooh, look at me looking all stunning. Oh my goodness, I love the hair so much. The details of the hair will be on my description box. Please care to check your description box, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click the notifications bell so that every time I post a new video, you get notified. I'll also leave the link to shop the hair on the description box. Thank you.